Buildings consume a lot of energy. Across the EU, they account for 40% of energy use and a third of greenhouse gas emissions. That's why the Energy Performance of Buildings Directive, or EPBD, was introduced. To boost energy-efficient renovations, create a common framework across member states, and make building performance more transparent through energy performance certificates. The first goal? Renovate 35 million buildings across the EU by 2030, doubling the renovation rate and accelerating energy-efficient upgrades across the continent. The EPBD now requires non-residential buildings to include energy-efficient lighting, along with building automation and control systems, including smart lighting controls with presence detection. This is where you come in. To meet these requirements, the market needs skilled installers and the right tools to get the job done. The good news? You've got Signify Interact, your go-to connected lighting solution made for everything from small offices to large industrial sites. It's fast to install, easy to set up, and perfectly suited to help your projects meet EPBD regulations. Here's how. It cuts energy use up to 50% with LED lighting alone, and up to 80% when combined with Interact's connected controls. And it even lets you generate energy reports that support EPBD objectives on the spot. It automates lighting through presence and daylight sensors, meeting the directive's requirement that automatic lighting controls shall be suitably zoned and capable of occupancy detection. It connects with HVAC and BMS platforms supporting the mandate for integrated building automation. It improves comfort and lighting quality, addressing the EPBD's focus on indoor environmental quality. And as requirements scale, so does the system. Future-ready for cloud-based control and full IoT integration. With Signify as your partner, you can count on everything working. No complex setup, no extra training, just simple future-ready lighting, done right. This isn't just renovation, it's revolution. With Signify Interact, buildings go from passive to perform, and you lead that change.